Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. Why the child needs vitamins. During the period of child's growth, the intensity of metabolic processes is especially high, therefore, it is necessary to constantly supply vitamins to the body. This is the main answer to the question of why the baby needs vitamins. Initially, a newborn baby consumes vitamins through breast milk. But then the body grows, and the need for vitamins increases. Approximately 2 for 6 months of the life of the child entering with breast milk of vitamins it appears insufficiently, as in breast milk there is not enough vitamin D for satisfaction of daily requirement in it. A special need for vitamins is available in late autumn, winter, spring, when the quantity of vitamins needed in foods is significantly reduced. In addition, those children who are prone to allergies, hypovitaminosis is not just predictable, but we expect. To relieve the symptoms of allergies, you need to resort to certain diets that can bring the body to vitamin deficiency. For this reason, in order to cover the vitamin deficiency, it is required to take multivitamin preparations. Regular intake of vitamins is necessary for every child in the autumn, winter, spring. Some pediatricians advise to consume them for prophylactic purposes throughout the year. When choosing multivitamin complexes, it is necessary to take into account the dosage, the composition of vitamins, which is included in the drug. If a child has allergic diseases, special care is required. Also, it is worth remembering that quality multivitamin complexes should not contain a large number of dyes, flavors and stabilizers. Now you can see the advertisement of various multivitamin complexes. In their choice it is necessary to take into account the dosage, the composition of the vitamins that are included in the preparation. For children with allergic diseases, it is necessary to select vitamins carefully. They should prescribe those vitamin complexes that contain a minimum of additives and auxiliary substances that can cause an exacerbation of allergic pathology. The main danger of children's multivitamin complexes is the content of artificial colors, flavors, stabilizers, which correct the appearance and taste of the drug. This is done so that even the most capricious kid can take them. Therefore, the best way to enrich your child's body is healthy and proper nutrition. Well, if you still have to use multivitamin complexes, you should pay attention to ensure that they include all the necessary vitamins and minerals. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.